Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let f of x equals to this, where box x denotes greatest integer function. Alpha and beta are the number of points where the function is not continuous and not differentiable, respectively. Okay. So, who is alpha? Alpha is number of points where function is not continuous. And who is beta? Beta is number of points where function is not differentiable. Okay, now look at this. If you will try to observe the function f of x, so f of x goes this way. So it is 3x for x smaller than 0. Okay, and then these guys are talking about minimum of 1 plus x plus box x comma x plus 2 times box x, okay, for x 0 to 2. Okay, this is very interesting problem, and we will solve this problem by using graphical approach. And in the remaining room means x greater than 2, it will have 5. So if you'll observe, you have problem in this situation. So try to update your function. So look at this, how I will update. So you know that you guys are dealing with greatest integer function. So greatest integer function changes its value at integer. So from 0 to 2 we have integer 1, correct? So it from 0 to 1 it will behave differently, from 1 to 2 it will behave differently. Okay, so look at this. Now try to understand this part. So we don't have problem in x less than 0. So x less than 0 is okay. Now we will take 0 to 1, and 1 is not included. So if 1 is not included, in this room greatest integer will become 0. Okay, so we will consider minimum of 1 plus x and then x. Okay, so in this room it will behave this way. Now from 1 to 2, 2 is not included. Okay, so in this room greatest integer function will become 1. So 1 plus 1 will become 2. So it is 2 plus x, and then it will become x plus 2. So it is x plus 2 only, both are same now. So you can consider any one of them. So this is the thing. Now x equals to 2. So if x is equal to 2 means this thing will become 2. This thing will become 2. So minimum of, so 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus x. Okay, and then it will become 4 plus x. And among them, if you think about the minimum, so this thing will become 5, this thing will become 6. So 5 is the minimum. So in this room this thing will be minimum. Okay, later we will discuss. Now in next room it is 5. I will write here only. So x is greater than 2. I hope till this part you guys are comfortable. Now let's try to draw the graph. Suppose this is the graph. Now focus on this part. Slope is 3. So it is behind x equals to 0. So look at this. So if x is 0, right now I will open this thing with open bubble because 0 is not defined for this. Okay. Now if x is 1, y will become 3. So it will go this way. Okay. Y equal to 3x. I hope this graph is clear. Now you have to consider the graph of next part from 0. Suppose it is 1. Okay, I will draw till this. Now from 0 to 1 we will have this graph and we will have this graph and we will consider the minimum one. Okay, so it both are straight line. So first I will draw the graph of this part. So if x is 0, so it will become 1 and it will become, if x is 0 it will become 0. Wait, so first I will draw a graph of this one. So if x is 0 it is 1. Suppose it is 1 and x is 1, so it will become 2. So suppose this is the thing. Okay, now try to draw the graph of this part. So if x is 0, 0, if x is 1, 1. So at 0 it will be filled now and it is 1. So you know that the second function is minimum. So you have to ignore the first part. So from 0 to 1 this is the graph. Clear? And it is open circle. Now from 1 to 2 we have considered this. Suppose it is 2. Now again straight line, again straight line. So if x is 1, x is 1, it will become 3, it will become 3. Both are same. So only you can go with the first, any one function. So x is 1, so it will become 3. So it was 1, so it is 3. Okay. Now x is 2, so it will become 4. So this is your 4. Okay. It is open circle. Now at x equals to 2, at x equals to 2, this is 5 and this is 6. You know that you will consider the minimum one. So it is above, so you will consider this point 5, and from x greater than 2 you have to go 5. So this is the graph. Correct? So this is the graph of the function. I will take everything little bit below. I hope this thing is clear. Okay, now we have to answer. So what is the thing? Alpha is not continuous. So focus on alpha, the number of points at which function is not continuous. Continuous means what? If you can draw the graph without lifting the pen, it is continuous. So if you'll observe over here, you will lift your pen once. So it is not continuous at x equals to 1. Here also it is not continuous. So at exactly 2 points given function is not continuous. Now you have to find out the number of points of not differentiability. So sharp turn 1. At this point also it is not differentiable. At this point also it is not differentiable. So given function is not differentiable at 3 points. These guys are interested in finding the value of alpha plus beta. So it is 5. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.